So let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. I was saying I don't social media na so ageta. In fact, a kakese abafi.
A cabefi. Kokos kanashi manga.
Pastor Steve, wahwenya mianim, e ma be 10,000, wa mo mu nyina broken heart. Enya sekum. Hi Penyah blog media mesrewa. Say over like if video na download my over subscribe button so I can click notification icon for latest update. Na be kire wa adwene ama me e wo comment section. Any day mo a e ya share video ma wonu aso ensa enkem. E shase.
Ya dawro ni abo. Na sawuchi. Konkoya. Na jasa samaba.
It took a TikTok app so there is this particular gentleman, I a friend of Pastor Steve, or a Ugandan. In fact, media not so there. Many ladies are crashing on him because of his handsomeness. So let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. So let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. So let it be, let it be, oh let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Or your video as normal person.
You people, you earn more money. I tax you more. So because I tax you more, I get more money.
Or follow trend. Or as I say, challenge be about so I also try say or be join a challenge, happy views. So be at the end of the day, also bring some kind of considerable followers to be following him. It's because of that. Quite people be now criticizing the pastoral corner, the pastoral mandate on him. Be not criticize now also from one side social media I say other than our pay. So far yet talk there also. Emma in fact obey video cry na o defending home.
So this is my response to those people who say, "What kind of a man of God are you? Yeah, you're dancing, you're cracking jokes. You have to be serious." Let me tell you something. I'm that kind of a man of God who has a certain humor. And what is more important to me is the relationship I have with God, not my status. Let me tell you, I know how to act like a man of God, how to walk like a man of God, and how to do that. But I want to tell you one thing, that God blesses who you are, not what you pretend to be. And please let that sink in. I'm a happy soul. I know what this world has given me. And I will always stand there to put a smile for people. So you'll see me sometimes make funny faces and crack jokes. And if you are a sadist, this is not your place. But may the Lord help you to be happy in life.
There's a obetre mu the entia so feel say we so for na or TikTok app we so yeah be na say on pa. I just don't know what you see happiness first. The rest in the on one cheers. Now, so there is this particular challenge across our social media account now, especially TikTok. So a Venus dance challenge. The moment you call, faceless featuring Salotine. The moment you call, Venus a hosted dance challenge for that. Now, this particular challenge, and I saw for American as me, Pastor Steve. What jump on the trend? The moment you call, I'm sure you know. If you want to see Joe Biden, then it's my your darling. And no, because of suffering, on Sabbath, on the there is this kind of bass guitar be enemas here, bass guitar be enemas here, and that bass guitar, no, in fact, and there's often come home, and that challenge in there, we're joining with many videos. The moment you call,
moment you call, I'm sure you know. If you want to see Joe Biden, then it's better you're darling. Let's not go on
Videos upon videos.
the moment you call, I'm sure you know. If you want to see Joe Biden, then it's better you're darling. Let's not go
upon video.
the moment you call, I'm sure you know. If you want to see Joe Biden, then it's better you're darling. Let's not go
For this particular challenge,
the moment you call, I'm sure you know. If you want to see Joe Biden, then it's better you're darling. Let's not go
or post video at the comment section, you could see say a man be go see a tree. The ladies come soil the comment section. They come to the comment section where they comment my crush, my role model, my handsome guy, my husband, my this, my that, my this, my that. Just say about 10,000 ladies are crashing on this gentleman because he get this kind of cute smile, pink lip, sexy face. Eti man no energy no ho. Man energy no ho a o man nyina ewu amana. Now this guy American as me asasa me catch say or Ugandan. Enti a man that they are crashing. They don't know him. Nigeria former almost crashed on him. They thought the guy is a Nigerian. Ghana former almost crashed on this guy. They thought the guy is a Ghanaian. Enti just say Obi or crashing on this guy. Any said the guy is from their country, and that is why they are crashing on him. It is this particular guy. H is working here. Mame post video. Na men come ya me kasa. What I say? We're going to video posting in an on share and can kasa. I know because can say as well or making the usage of the English language. And this guy decided to post a video with his own local language.
Yeah. Imwe. Tafi weme. Chalo le she choni punch tapari mbala le shponeneko. Tapari fiambi. Tapari ba kuswabe le tapita tu wafwane nsala chazuka chapupuke choni. Chaikala muri flight mode. Forward mama forward. Tie daddy. Pupuka chasho musambo. Ya, nomba chagu 5 sasa. Apa nomba chikafika na kuli 1 pin. Chikafika na kuli 1 pin.
It is this video posted here now. Or can you come gasana? A man who they are highly disappointed. In fact, oh my, a boo condemn in the comment section there. Na requa. Young can be Candiluma a post say my crash dropped. I hope not prank cause what? There's a lecas. Candiluma as a crash and no crash on this guy. In fact, now there I'll drop it at form. I don't zoom. Because then cause I will candy in fact I know air day mommy and Mary as said I swear I no crash again. So it was the song I was crashing on and I thought it is you. I told God I don't want to be distracted and he showed me this. Where's it said I swear I know they crash again. I was said there was this dance challenge, Venus dance challenge. The moment you call it really say and yeah crash and no crashing and your guy no there be that the moment you call no and say or crash on the song but no name say only please say be but say na come there or crash on the song It's not there no one tinton town young crash or guy in who beam. And in it, as I say, I know the crash again, I know crash again. Tinton time, Casa be party in fact, I know the bab, 8 to know, and one no, I know crash again. In the actual no be to I said, me too. We came here to confirm something. I just say, or by a video, I say, ever confirm something. Because she has been crashing on this guy. She thought the guy from a country. She purposely came under this video to comment as to whether the guy is from her country or not. It's now the when the open, I know they crash again. And Nita's strength, everybody say, I am broken. In fact, I'm broken. Makuma the boo boo. I've been crashing on the ghost. Someone I don't know. I've been crashing on him seriously. And Chioma Jesus, Nigeria. Also, I thought he was a gentleman. Wait a minute. So, someone speaking his local language disqualifies the person to be a gentleman. How? Kasal, unwe no kwa dika no. What does it? Unwe no.
Yeah. Hey, man.
Ella a man say, "Hey, young man, the tire bros." Official Slim Shady, as it said, you for no talk. In fact, you for no talk. One kasaya eye kama maya dance over kasa. Call kasa dia things for the moment you talk, things fall apart. It make you not talk. And although you have been said, I swear, I no crash again. I don't leave them for you. I just say, crashing, you know the crash again. What I say. And Eddie, my expert said, I almost thought you were speaking in tongues. Obi language, you know. I say, oh, this guy is a pastor. Eddie, my daughter said, the moment I tell us Papa Nekas, I know him say, oh, can't tongues. Say, na Papa Nekas no krum gas and tell you, no one, tin to unyan crash you. And fearless, Eddie said, another day to crash on strangers. Another day to crash on strangers. Over crash will be our name, and you will be hundy. And you didn't be hundy. So, these are some of the reactions from the ladies who are heartbroken. Me thinking kind of but way enough. It is just this particular guy that we see on social media, so called TikTok network, all trended by Pastor Steve, all trended by after say posted a video of him speaking his local language. Their hearts broken. Omakuma a boo condemn. Ubet another day to crash on strangers. Way episode 1. Episode 2 Penyah Blog Media. Accra.